On this video, we're discussing coffee. Hey guys, my name is Theo Le Roux and I'm from Cupocafe Coffee Bar, and today we're discussing coffee. Did you know that coffee is the second largest legal trading commodity in the world, just under oil? On this video, we are going to be discussing the 3 basic questions of coffee. First question, what is coffee? Funny that you should ask. Coffee is the seed of a cherry that grows on a tree. This is a coffee tree. This is a branch with actual coffee cherries on it. Now, if you take one of these cherries off and you open it, you will see on the inside these 2 little green seeds. We then take these seeds and we wash them to the point where we feel we can get the most flavor out of it. There's many different washing processes and we'll do a video to explain them more in depth. We then take these seeds and we pop them into either a roaster or on top of a stove in a pan, and we roast those cherry seeds to this beautiful brown color. Now you get 3 different types of roasts. You get a light roast, a medium roast, and a dark roast. Again, we'll make another video to explain that in more depth. We then take this beautiful roasted brown beans and we grind it down to a finely grinded coffee powder. We then mix that with water to get a beautiful coffee flavor out of the perfect recipe. Second question, why do people like to consume coffee? Well, there's many different reasons. Some people drink coffee because it helps them relax. It gets them focused, gives them good concentration to get the job done. Other people, like myself, I enjoy the beautiful flavors that coffee brings to my palate. Those gorgeous fruity flavors, those beautiful cocoa and nutty flavors all over the palate. Then there's other people. They can't wake up in the morning until they've had their shot of caffeine. They actually feel grumpy and lower on energy until they've had their first coffee. Now, those are some of the main reasons why people like to consume coffee. Third question, is it healthy to drink a lot of coffee? Well, yes and no. Coffee releases endorphins, which pushes up your blood flow. So if you struggle with high blood pressure, do go and see your local doctor to ask them how many cups of coffee is accepted for you. Because of the high blood flow, now the heart is pumping to get the high oxygen levels all throughout your system. Coffee also has a lot of dietary benefits. It helps you boost your metabolism, it suppresses hunger and gets all of those cravings out of the way. So if you're on a diet, it's a good thing to consume coffee. It will get you through that hard moments that you struggle with. Coffee also is a fantastic detoxant. It helps you detox your body. The way that it works is it flushes all of the unnecessary vitamins and minerals down to your liver and your kidneys. Now do drink a glass of water with every single cup of coffee that you drink, because you want to flush it out of your system. Otherwise, kidney stones is your fortune. So guys, if you're watching this, I want to thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up because YouTube loves it. Also, if you enjoy the rest of our videos, hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you can see every single other upload. We love you guys and we'll see you on the next video. Done.